my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be researching and investigating payments and transactions, trying to dig into those little details, find out what went wrong and what the issue is. So, if you're somebody who likes that type of research, this might be just for you. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do ask that if you enjoy any of the job leads that I share, if you please give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Also share with all your friends and family because we all want to be working from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead comes from the company Housecall Pro. They have 189 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a payment support specialist. Now, this is going to be remote for the United States only. Something to quickly note on this position, it is going to require some phone work. You are going to be the external voice of all the pros on all matters payment related. So this includes supporting investigations into high-risk payment transactions, troubleshooting any technical errors, and providing the best practices on safely accepting and growing use of payments for businesses. So you may have to talk on the phone with customers from day to day because you're going to be the point of contact for the customers either through written form or verbal communication regarding any payment issues that you're having. You're going to communicate with those pros regarding debt collection, account reconciliation, and high-risk payments. You're going to interpret and assist with reconciliation and merchant services account ledgers, troubleshooting issues and providing assistance to the broad base of customers, and you're going to provide them with the best practices on chargeback prevention, mitigation, and support chargeback evidence collection and submission, helping us troubleshoot any technical issues related to merchant services. So merchants or other businesses are going to be using Housecall Pro for their payment solutions and services, and so you're going to be on that end helping them with all issues that they need. Now, while they prefer a bachelor degree, one is not actually required. You do need to have experience with Salesforce or experience with Stripe or other merchant or payment processing provider services. Someone who has a technical support is preferred. And again, this is going to be customer support, so you've got to have that great communication skills, high attention to detail, and excellent reading comprehension skills. Now, pay is listed all the way down here in the small print, but pay for this position is $26.50 an hour. Of course, they also offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, as always, if you made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to give it that thumbs up like button, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.